My name is Julio Flores. I'm a woodworker based out of Sunset Park, Brooklyn, and I work with reclaimed wood, fallen trees, and objects that I find over at the shore by the water. Pretty much most of this stuff you see here is my work. It's great that most of these things that I make come from either fallen trees or reclaimed wood, which pretty much gives another option to as opposed to buying new wood all the time, which is really great.
I'm Jim Sue, so I know Julio for many years, and to me this has always been our workshop, you know. And he talked about many times, oh yeah, we're gonna eventually have the space. I can't believe right now this is an art gallery. I've been involved with his shop for close to 10 years now. You know, time has fly. It's very different because when you're inside doing work and then outside is a whole new different experience, because we're actually in a very interesting part of Brooklyn. So this is called the Army Terminal. These whole building right here. Little bit of quick history. They used to produce army tanks during World War II in this part of Brooklyn. You could see it's like a very industrial area, you know. Yeah, this is his shop right here, which I don't really go so often. Yeah.